back in
So you
May the 24th of this year,
okay.
I was involved in an accident where I was sitting and a man came up behind me and hit me from the rear.
Okay.
Since then, I had obtained a lawyer, but we found out that the man's insurance had expired.
Okay, and you want to know if you still have any rights?
Still having the rights. Before I file anything on my insurance, can I go to small claim court, or what can I do?
Okay. What do you think her best options could be?
You know, it's exactly what Bob was talking about earlier. You've got to do some things to protect yourself, and it sounds like Stella has done that. She's got her own insurance, and if you're hit and injured by an uninsured motorist, and there's a portion of your policy called uninsured motorist coverage that will take care of that. And I encourage everybody watching the show tonight, pull out your policy, and if you have low limits, 2550 is what it will say on there, 25,000 in coverage, that's mandated by law that coverage be on there. You need to call your agent and talk about increasing those limits, because that is not enough insurance. But Stella, you're in good position. Your lawyer, I'm sure, is taking care of that, and he will be making a claim for you, and you'll be okay.
And what is it, you know, a lot of folks, sometimes we get calls on these types of shows where they're talking about the other motorist doesn't even have a license, or they may be an illegal alien, that kind of thing. Do you have any rights to go after that person?
You do. Of course, you can go after the person that injures you, but so often
But they've got to have something worth going after, right?
Correct. That's right.
That's the key to it.
That's why we protect ourselves with insurance.
Okay.
I think we got a lucky break, because I think some of the counties are now coordinating with their computer. If you don't have insurance, you're not going to get a tag or a license.
That's
so,
correct.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Okay, I hadn't heard that.